Are you constantly fighting high blood sugar, feeling weak in the bedroom, or watching your hair thin out daily? This is frustrating. You might be struggling with low libido, a metabolism that has stopped working, or digestion that burns like fire. You are stuck. You have tried expensive supplements and hair tonics, but nothing seems to wake up your body's dormant power. You are drained. These are not random symptoms. They are signs that your hormones are unbalanced and your insulin is failing. You are out of sync. Imagine one simple, hard, yellow seed that smells strangely like maple syrup but acts like a hormonal rocket fuel. It is powerful. This golden seed is scientifically proven to double free testosterone, stabilize blood sugar instantly, and sprout new hair. The results are massive. It acts as the ultimate natural steroid, increasing muscle mass, strength, and drive in men. It restores manhood. For women, it is a legendary beauty secret that balances cycles and drastically increases milk supply for new mothers. It creates life. This is the ultimate non-drug secret to fixing your pancreas, saving your hair, and reclaiming your vitality. It works fast. We'll expose the huge difference between the soaked water and the sprouted seed, and why sprouting multiplies the power. Do it right. If you ignore this ancient remedy, you risk chronic diabetes, hormonal burnout, and permanent baldness. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact hair mask recipe you need to soak your scalp and the weird side effect that makes your sweat smell like pancakes. It is true. Don't skip the final warning about the specific allergy group that must never touch this seed. Check your allergies. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to hormonal balance and total body regeneration. Your upgrade starts now. The miraculous golden yellow stone we are revealing today, the seed of the ancients, is fenugreek, known as Methi in India and used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. This seed is a powerhouse, but in the West it is often ignored or only known as an ingredient in fake maple syrup. Yes, the compound that gives fenugreek its distinct smell, sotolin, is the exact same compound found in maple syrup, but don't let the sweet smell fool you. This seed is serious medicine. The secret weapon hidden inside this hard shell is a group of compounds called Furostanolic Saponins. Let's talk about the miracle for men. Testosterone and libido. We are living in an epidemic of low testosterone. Stress, plastics, and poor diet are chemically castrating modern men. Fenugreek is one of the few natural substances proven in clinical trials to boost free testosterone. It works by inhibiting the enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen. By blocking this conversion, it keeps your male hormones high, leading to increased muscle mass, lower body fat, and a roaring libido. A famous study showed that men who took 500 milligrams of fenugreek extract daily experienced a significant increase in strength and sexual function. It is the ultimate manhood restore seed, giving you the drive and energy of your younger years. Now, let's look at the miracle for diabetes and insulin. Fenugreek is arguably the most powerful seed on earth for lowering blood sugar. It contains a unique amino acid called for hydroxyisoleucine. This compound acts directly on the pancreas, stimulating the beta cells to produce more insulin when sugar is present. It also reduces insulin resistance, allowing your cells to open up and absorb the sugar for energy. But the magic doesn't stop there. The seeds are 50% fiber, specifically a soluble fiber called Galactomannan. This fiber turns into a thick gel in your stomach similar to okra or chia. This gel traps carbohydrates and slows down digestion, preventing the sugar spikes that destroy your nerves and eyes. Diabetics who drink fenugreek water every morning report drastic drops in their fasting blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about the hair growth secret. If you have thinning hair, dandruff, or an itchy scalp, fenugreek is your savior. The seeds are packed with nicotinic acid and protein. Nicotinic acid is a vasodilator that opens up the tiny blood vessels in your scalp. This rushes oxygen and nutrients to the dormant hair follicles, waking them up from their slumber. But it is also a moisturizer. The lecithin in soaked fenugreek hydrates the hair shaft, making it shiny, thick, and resistant to breakage. It acts as a natural antifungal, killing the yeast that causes dandruff and scalp inflammation. Applying a paste of these seeds to your head is a traditional cure for baldness that has been used for centuries. We must address the benefits for digestion and heartburn. Because of the high mucilage slime content, fenugreek acts as a coating agent for the stomach. If you suffer from acid reflux or GERD, drinking the thick water coats the esophagus and stomach lining. It creates a protective shield against the burning acid, providing relief that is often faster than antacids. It also acts as a gentle laxative. The fiber swells in the colon, pushing out old waste and relieving constipation. Now, let's discuss the female benefits. For new mothers, fenugreek is the #1 galactomannan. It drastically increases breast milk production. It stimulates the sweat glands, and milk ducts are modified sweat glands, increasing flow within 24 hours. It also helps balance PMS symptoms and reduce menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory properties. However, the form matters. Fenugreek seeds are hard as rocks. You cannot just chew them dry. You will break a tooth. You must activate them. Method 1. The Methi water for diabetes and hormones. Take 1 tablespoon of yellow fenugreek seeds. Soak them in a glass of water overnight. By morning, the water will turn yellow and slightly thick. Drink the water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then, eat the soaked seeds. They will be soft and chewable now. This is the daily ritual for stabilizing sugar and boosting hormones. Method 2. The sprouting hack, the supercharged version. Soak the seeds overnight, then drain the water. Leave the damp seeds in a jar or tied in a muslin cloth for 2 to 3 days. Tiny white tails will sprout from the seeds. Sprouting multiplies the vitamin content by huge amounts and reduces the bitterness. Sprouted fenugreek is a superfood salad topper that is easier to digest and even more potent. Method 3. The hair mask for baldness. Soak 2 tablespoons of seeds overnight. In the morning, grind the soft seeds into a smooth paste. Mix with a little coconut oil or yogurt. Apply this paste to your scalp, focusing on the thinning areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash it off. Do this twice a week for thick, shiny, dandruff-free hair. Now let's talk about the side effects and the smell. This is a very unique warning, because fenugreek contains sotolin. If you take high doses, your sweat and urine will start to smell like maple syrup. This is harmless, but it can be confusing if you don't expect it. You will literally smell like a pancake breakfast. Some people love it. Some find it strange. We must address the final, urgent warning regarding pregnancy and allergies. Fenugreek stimulates uterine contractions. If you are pregnant, do not take medicinal doses of fenugreek, as it could induce premature labor. However, it is perfectly safe and recommended after the baby is born for milk production. Also, fenugreek is a legume. It is in the same family as peanuts and chickpeas. If you have a severe peanut allergy, you might be allergic to fenugreek. Proceed with caution. Also, because it lowers blood sugar so effectively, if you are on insulin or diabetes medication, monitor your levels. You may need to lower your dose to avoid hypoglycemia. For everyone else, this golden seed is the hormone fixer you have been waiting for. It builds muscle, melts sugar, grows hair, and soothes your stomach. This affordable kitchen spice is your ultimate tool for hormonal regeneration. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this golden seed. Now, tell us in the comments below. Does the idea of smelling like maple syrup bother you, or is it worth the benefits? We want to hear your thoughts. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with diabetes or hair loss, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a new life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Soak the seeds and reclaim your vitality. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.